His Sabir San, jersey number 2. He will play for Batal Platinum Boys. He is a good striker as well as, and I think he will play for defender. Okay, acha hoise Sabir. It's not TikTok, bro. It's content creator here. Okay? English content creator, huh? No, it's Urdu language. Okay, you can see here is a small meeting here going on about for maybe they are meeting something about understanding, and you can see the captain and vice captain or some senior player there meeting and understanding, and you can see over there the yellow jersey. They will play for Modudia village, and the jersey number, it's not showing here, it's not visible, but I'm trying to zoom here. Even after it's not possible to show you the player, you can see the face and the jersey. Hopefully will for Modudia. You can see, I don't know who is he, but I know him, who is red and black color hands jersey number. I will play you Abdullah. Jersey number to Duli Beda. His jersey number is 02, but here is something confusion. What's the difference between 02 and 2? Who is play for? Oh, I think it's a cricket jersey, right? Maybe it's. Yeah. They will try bend over backwards to win against Modudia because you know Batal Platinum Boys already lost 2 games before earlier, and Muhammad Sabir Hussain he's telling that we have to keep our respect. We already lost 2 games against them, and that's why he's telling that we'll try bend over backwards to win this game today against Modudia. Okay. তোমার নাম কি? Arif. He's my nephew. His name is Arif. He's brother of Muhammad Sharif, who's jersey number. He's Selim. He's wearing his jersey. He's Chikon Ali, you can say, but although he's Chikon Ali, but his game is not Chikon Ali. He's good runner, I think. You can see he's very long. His jersey number is 10. Oh, Messi, Kaka, and Neymar. Their jersey number he has already taken for Batal Platinum Boys. You can see her sub. You can see there is two boy. Now he's giving some director Habibullah, but his name and jersey Shubo or Shuman, something like this, and jersey number 9. You can see now his captain Imon. His jersey number is 58. Now I'm ready to begin. Shariful Islam, goalkeeper. I have heard about him. He's a good goalkeeper and he has saved a lots of hard goal for Batal Platinum Boys. Even after they have lost 2 games before, and he's defender, first defender, but I don't know his name, and he didn't wear any jersey, and that is not possible to show you the jersey number. And he's Ariful Islam Lalu. He's not only a good footballer, he's also a good cricketer. He's a seasonal player, and if it's season of cricket, he will play cricket. If else it's a football season, that's why he's playing football. So you can see he's all-rounder of game, and he's good also badminton. Now you can see Muhammad Shafiullah, which he didn't show any jersey number, but I know him. Yeah, good defender. He wear lungi and a short pant as well as 2 together. Okay, that's all. They are going to start the game, and I'm going to. Wow, this is a big thief, you know. He's training. He's bending his backward to enter the college, but he will in future he will, and Come out from here, bro.
That's the way to do.
Sare viral করে দেম যা